Alright, I watched that hive over there swarm this morning around, I don't know, I guess it was around 10:30. And I've talked in my videos about multiple queens being in swarms, and that apparently is what we had today. So I've got one in this clip here. Caught her first thing, dropped her in the box, shook a bunch of bees in there, and walked away thinking they'd, all be in here. Came out here this afternoon to check it, and there were 5 bees in the box along with the queen, and everybody was back up on the limb up here. So I thought that was a little bit odd. So I did my little bucket trick again, and I've got at least one more queen. I haven't seen anybody else running around, but that doesn't mean there's not additional queens in this group. I don't know what I'm gonna do with her. I'll do something with her. She looks like a virgin queen, so I may give her to somebody. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but anyway, yep, you can have multiple queens in a swarm, so just keep that in mind. If you get a queen and get her in the box, that may not be the queen, although they're a lot more content to be in the box now than they were this morning. So maybe I got the right ratio. Who knows? Excuse me.